Okay, we're here at the Tomorrow Landing store and check out their pinboard.
Where do you want to go?
Oh, good. We're up. Nada. Thank you. Oh, didn't you just want to check the one that you want, the car?
Do they have it here?
I don't know.
Oh, they have the munchlings.
I think Family Adventure should want the food truck.
Oh, the food trucks, I think you need to get it in Frontier. Oh, it's
Right there.
Sorry.
Is that new? I mean, I know the food truck is new.
Yeah. And these ones got re-released again.
So let me see what's in
They
there.
have that new special edition noseless Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. The ear pin. I wonder if that's the only one. That would get two. I really want Stitch.
Wait, you buying two?
I might get two, yeah. Because I have Baymax, but now I need Stitch.
Now I feel like I should buy at least one. Okay, I'll buy one. At least we can all trade. Are you gonna open now, or are you gonna open later?
I'll open now.
Okay, I'm gonna trade with you then. Boom. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I have one. How many did you buy? Oh my goodness. Mahjong here. This is like a totally Mahjong.
This is Mahjong, a tile-based game that originated in China some 300 years ago.
I swear. So who want to do it first?
Well, which pack are we gonna open? We'll start with the food truck then,
Okay. Food truck. Let me open my. Can you do honor for me? Can you open for
Want
me?
me to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully, what is you want in there? The Winnie the Pooh, right?
The Winnie the Pooh one. So it's down there. Okay, first we have Dale.
Oh, that's
From Chip and
cute.
You got Pluto.
Pluto,
You got Daisy.
Daisy.
You got Chip.
Oh, Chip and Dale, yay.
And the final, you have Donald.
Oh no. Oh, at least I got the couple. I mean,
Yeah,
you know.
Chip and Dale.
That's cute.
And Donald and Daisy.
Yes. I definitely keep those two. So.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Yay!
Winnie the Pooh.
First pull. Yay, okay, I'm done. You guys can have these.
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
kidding.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding, Yay.
Wow.
Stress is
Stress is
done. Oh,
gone.
Lilo.
Oh, it's cute.
Ooh, a Baymax.
Very cute.
Who's this? Oliver from Oliver and Company. And then the last one. Ooh, Stitch. That's a good bag.
Oh, you
cute.
got a nice one.
Okay.
Got one of those good bags.
A good bag.
Okay, now it's your
See,
turn.
hopefully no repeats so we can see different ones. Dumbo?
Ooh, that's a good
Oh,
one
it's so
too.
cute.
Oliver.
Oh, repeat,
No repeat. Lilo.
repeat.
I think this is gonna be the same bag, but instead of Baymax, I get Dumbo. Stitch.
Ooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Pooh.
Pooh,
No,
Pooh.
Baymax. So
Oh, Baymax.
the Pooh is the one that's different.
Dumbo, yeah.
So if you get Dumbo or Winnie the Pooh, you can't get both.
I don't know. I think mine's better because I have, the two characters together.
The matching.
The matching.
Well, I got Lilo and Stitch.
Oh yeah.
Yes, but I got Lilo and Stitch.
Right here.
Okay, fine.
All right, let's hope for no more repeats here.
No whammy.
Spent a lot of money. Oh,
Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
There
Oh,
we
there's a
go.
bee on there. It's so cute.
No.
Baymax.
There
Oh
we go.
no.
This is gonna be all the
Repeat.
repeats.
It's gonna be the same. Oh no.
It's the same
Is it the
bag.
same
Lilo.
bag?
Exactly the same
They
bag.
didn't mix it?
Oh no.
No.
No, those are good traders though.
So we got two, but at least we got Winnie the Pooh and Dumbo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you have one more. See.
Have one more.
Hopefully we'll get something different.
Okay.
Oh, it's a little different.
Daisy or Minnie?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Donald. Ooh, here's a new one. The Emperor's New Groove one. Kronk.
Oh.
Okay.
We got Kronk. We got Goofy. And the last one we have is Dumbo. Oh, Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. So how many are they total? Do we have enough?
16.
So we don't have
we don't
all
have
16,
Mickey.
right?
We don't have Mickey. Mickey. That's the only one we didn't
That's the one
pull.
we're missing?
I think
and
so.
Goofy.
Oh,
Oh, we have Goofy.
Oh, yeah, Goofy. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, I should have get one more bag. So how many we bought? Total 5 bags together.
Yeah.
So get 5, you have a chance to get all of them.
Yeah.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.